which may lead to suspension of a main seller account. What is Amazon Account Health? On Amazon Account Health page, you can take an overview of how well you're doing complying with Amazon's performance targets and policies. You will notice that the account health is composed of 3 metrics. Number 1, customer service performance. Number 2, product policy compliance. Number 3, shipping performance. Number 1, customer service performance, Number 1, order defect rate. It should not more than 1%. Order defect rate further includes negative feedback, A to Z guarantee claim, chargeback claims. Number 2, product policy. It includes suspected intellectual property violation. If Amazon thinks that there is a copied product of some other seller or it is a registered product, so Amazon gives you a warning on this basis and you have to solve it immediately. Number 2, received intellectual property complaints. If you have used our logo of some other registered brand on your product, or you have used the name of that brand, and if that brand complains, then its notification comes here. Number 3, product authenticity customer complaints. Customer complaint that the product is duplicate or it is not regional product, so it is very problematic. Number 4, product condition customers complaints. It includes broken, bad, and used products. Number 5, food and product safety issues. It includes unhealthy or expired or something which is not suitable for human health. Number 6, listing policy violation. Suppose you are selling shoes and on the image of that product you put the logo of Nike and you wrote Nike lookalike product.so. It is also listing policy violation. Number 7, restricted product policy violation. You can't list any type of restricted product. You can find list of restricted product on Amazon website. Number 8, customer product reviews policy violation. It includes fake order and reviews. Number 3, last major point is shipping performance. Having sub-points. Number 1, late dispatch rate. Number 2, pre-fulfillment cancel rate. Number 3, valid tracking rate. Number 1, late dispatch rate. Amazon provides ship by date. If you receive an order today and ship by date is for tomorrow, then you have to dispatch it by tomorrow only. Late dispatch rate in shipping performance should be under 4% in last 30 days. If the LDR increase the visibility of your product hampered too. Number 2, pre-fulfillment cancel rate. Once the order is confirmed, you have to fulfill the order, you can't cancel it. Not until or unless customer wants to cancel the order. But do write an email to seller performance and inform them that you are going to cancel the order on customer demand. Pre-fulfillment cancel rate should be under 2.5%. Number 3, valid tracking rate. If you are a self-shipped seller, you have to provide valid tracking and you can't add wrong information here. If you find this video informative, then share it with others.